Yo, it's been a minute since I played CPM1, I can't lie. Since like what, the last giveaways? And it's really that season again where updates are coming and it's about time, Legends start pumping out those videos. As soon as an update comes, Legends is uploading, but when it's time to deliver the regular content, he just phases out. But I'm gonna try and stay active together on it, deliver all the events I promised and all the meets and stuff, because we got a lot of stuff coming up now that the Nürburgring is coming to CPM1. So not just CPM2, the Nürburgring is now coming to CPM1. I do not have the beta that has all the changes that you guys are looking for. Right now, what you're seeing in front of me changes to this P1. It is just a modded version here. But what I will be showing you guys is the official leaks where some people have gotten the beta. I haven't gotten it yet, but as soon as I get it, I'm gonna show you guys everything that you want to see. All right, so we hop straight on Discord right now, and in the DMs already, Arabian Cat, he really wanted to be put in the video. So I'm like, all right. At this point, I already seen the leaks, but he wanted to keep me updated before anything else, and he sent me like snapshots of everything, like the event going on, the new tracks, and the vehicles right here. This is not everything. This is just 3 pictures that he sent me right here that he saw on TikTok allegedly, but we're not going to be looking at TikTok. We're going to be looking in the official CPM server. But thank you anyway, Arabian Cat. Here you are. I put you in the video. So yeah, don't come to my house or anything crazy like that. But official CPM server, we're going to head into beta feedback. This is where everyone is talking about the beta that dropped in. What is this? Momo sent pictures of the charger with open hood. So we got charger with the open hood. All right, I think I found exactly what I'm looking for right here. So it's a little different than on my phone that I'm used to. So I gotta go specific channel, then I click beta, then I add filters, and then let's add images and videos. Let me apply these filters. All right, so here we go, the pictures in the beta feedback page of all the new stuff. You're gonna use Chevy pickup truck and the Mustang from that recently got added in CPM2, and the Chevy looks like it's gonna cost real cash. So real cash still in there. And we got time attack events. These look like similar to CPM2. We're gonna have 2 special cars. I feel like this is the Mercedes one right here. I don't know what this is in the back. It might be new to CPM1 that is not in CPM2. I'm not sure what this is. It's definitely not the RX-7, because last time we had the RX-7 for the drift event and the Mercedes was for the time attack. So I don't know what that is back there, but we're gonna have to wait and see until we get it. And here's some more pictures of the pickup truck in the car list. There's a version number right down here. More pictures of a charger. How are these guys getting the update already? It's like slowly rolling out for the beta users. Kits for the P1. Let me scroll down and find the kits. There's a lot of you guys who wanted the P1 to get updated. Now you guys are lucky. We got kits. And still, some of them are going to be premium, of course. This kit right here resembles the one you guys seen earlier that I was driving in, the modded version. But yeah, the P1 definitely legit. And these other ones. So those are the leaks we got so far. Pickup truck, the Mustang for CPM2. 2 secret cars that we're gonna have to get done on the Nürburgring to see what they are. We're gonna have to win them through time attack. Changes to the charger, so all the charger boys are gonna love that. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about what you're seeing so far. As soon as I get the beta, I'm gonna test it all out and show you guys how the track is and all of that, because right now I'm too anxious to see what's going on. I'm fired up. I can't wait to see it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay safe.